Hello, today I'm preparing a delicious breakfast. 4 slices of bread. Where are you looking from? Please write, it's very interesting. 4 slices of processed cheese. Be sure to subscribe if you liked my recipe. Sausage 8 slices. You can support me by sharing my video. Hard cheese 4 slices. Please don't forget to like my video. 4 more slices of bread. Turn on notifications so you don't miss my videos. 2 eggs. Let me know in the comments if you like this recipe. 100 milliliters of milk. At the end of the video, I will share new unique recipes with you. A pinch of salt. Dip the sandwiches in the egg mixture. Cheese. Bake for 15 minutes.